schoolmates. I am Shri
And I am Aradhya Pandey from class 10th. We are thrilled to be hosting today's assembly activity focused on the wonderful world of friendship.
In my own life, I have found that friendship are like anchors, providing support and strength during the both good times and the challenges.
We all explore what makes a good friend, how friendship can help us to grow, and how we can all be better friends to each other. Today, let's begin our day with a thought that reminds us of the value of true friendship. I would like to invite Lakshman to share the thought of the day.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today's thought of the day: a friend is someone who understands your past, believe in your future, and accept you just the way as you are. I repeat my thought: a friend is someone who understands your past, believe in your future, and accepts you just the way as you are. Thank you.
Thank you, Lakshman, for the thoughtful message. Indeed, friendship is a treasure we must cherish.
Now, let's keep ourselves updated and informed with today's news headlines presented by Swarit.
Good morning everyone present here. Today I am Swarit standing here to deliver some news. National news. 173 dead in Himachal's monsoon Mahim. 338 roads blocked. The school starts power outage continue. The East Yamuna river swells to 204.14 meters, likely to hit danger mark if rain persists. International news. 6 more died to hunger in Gaza as rare fuel trucks reach border. 4 of Indian origins family go missing on US road trip. Helicopters join the search. Sports news. England ended day 4 at 339 for 6, chasing 374 with Joe Root and Harry Brook crucial centuries. PCB announced blank plan on future participation in WCL Slams Origins process. Thank you.
Thank you, Swarit, for updating us.
Now it's time to enrich our vocabulary. I call upon Aditya to present the word of the day.
Good morning, one and present here. My name is Adit from class 10th. I am here to present word of the day. Today word of the day is camaraderie. It means the feeling of trust, friendship and the cheerful champion among the people. It uses the camaraderie between the team, made the tournament enjoyable for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya. Let's try to use the word today while spreading friendship around us.
Poetry touches the heart and gives wings to emotion. To express the essence of friendship through words, I invite Anuba and Anjali to recite our poetry.
Good morning, one and all present here.
Today we are here to decide upon one topic of friendship.
यूं तो मिल जाएंगे इस दुनिया में कई रुलाने वाले,
बड़ी मुश्किल से मिलते हैं कोई हंसाने वाले,
जो हमारी गलती में डांट कर भी हर मुश्किल में हमारे साथ खड़े होते हैं।
उन्हीं को हम दोस्त कह के बुलाते हैं।
जो रिश्ता हर मुश्किल में हमारे साथ खड़ा है,
उन्हीं रिश्तों का नाम शायद दोस्ती रखा है।
दोस्ती कोई तलाश नहीं होती,
ये किसी की खास नहीं होती।
जो रिश्ता दिल से निभे वो दोस्ती कहलाती है,
क्योंकि दोस्ती में नफरत की कोई जगह नहीं होती।
थैंक यू एंड हैव अ cheerful day ahead.
Thank you, Anupa and Anjali, for a lovely poetry. Truly, a good friend adds joy to life and strengthens the soul.
Now let's celebrate the spirit of friendship through music. I invite Akshata to present a beautiful song.
A very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present over here. I am Akshita from 10th A and I am here to sing a beautiful song on friendship. तू जो रूठा तो कौन हंसेगा, तू जो छूटा तो कौन रहेगा, तू चुप है तो ये डर लगता है, अपना मुझको अब कौन कहेगा, तू ही वजह तेरे बिना बेवजह बेकार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं। Thank you and have a marvelous day ahead.
Thank you, Akshita, for that hard charming performance. The music truly connects the heart just like friendship does.
Before we conclude, let us take a moment to thank all of our friends for the laughter, the memories, and the unconditional support.
Let's promise to be kind, loyal, and helpful just like a true friend should be.
Wishing everyone a joyful day filled with friendship and smile.
Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.